Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 11th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing AHLUWALIA contract. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. First is the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held illegally responsible for your profit or loss. So AHLUWALIA contract, this is the monthly chart, and we see that uh, it has been, after listing, it has come down a lot, and then finally it made a bullish social pattern, and after a breakout we see that it is currently moving in this slanting range, and it has given a breakout above that on monthly chart. So this is bullish for sure. Now after this, where it can go, so this is something that we will try to find it out in this video. So what we see here is currently a breakout of that. So what we need to see in coming days, that whether it is able to sustain over that, because this month it is showing green candle. Last month it showed a good green candle, but then that was with long shadows and a small body. Now the weekly chart. On weekly chart we see that currently uh, this is on the verge of breakout, but then it is facing resistance. Now unless it is able to close around above 410, we should not enter. Now on daily chart we see that it is facing resistance. It has lost its strength currently, and it is not able to muster up to go up. So this is something that we have to watch, that is it able to gather its strength again, and should it and then can it go up. Now it is currently taking support on this trend line, and if at all it comes down, let's say to 470, wait, don't there you can buy some, yes, but then just wait here, and 460, if at all it comes to 460, so 460 to 4 sorry 360 to 370 would be the level where you should be watching that what it does. If it does not again goes up from that level, then definitely one should not enter it, because then it is showing weakness. Now what happens if it does not break this trend line down and it starts to go up? Now if it starts to go up, then wait till it goes till 410, and if it is showing strength there, then we should buy it. So if it breaks the trend line below, then wait and see what it does around 370, 360 to 370, and if it starts to go up, so this is the time, this is the range where we should be waiting and should not aggressively jump on the trade. The If you see on the long term basis, this looks positive. So if you are onto portfolio, then you can definitely buy it with a stop loss of around 355. And if you are for looking for trading purpose, then it's time that you wait and see if it is able to show strength again, because on daily chart it is a bit showing consolidation, because on intraday chart if you see, a range shift in RSI has happened, and we see the range bound movement also in AHLUWALIA contract. So it's time for traders to wait, and for investors to, they can buy in tranches, and if they are able to get this at around 360 to 370, then they can add up, and but if it breaks 355, then one should exit. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.